Mangrove herons are found in mangroves and intertidal flats. They feed on invertebrates and small fish. Australian white ibis feed on both land-based and aquatic invertebrates. This ibis is exploring some washed-up kelp in its attempt to find food. This one is using its long bill to probe the mud on this exposed seagrass meadow. Sooty oystercatchers are strictly coastal birds. They live within 50 metres of the ocean. They use their bill to stab at prey or to lever, prise or hammer open food items. Eastern curlews use their bill to probe the mud, digging up crabs, which is their main food source. They're a migratory bird, and they're Australia's largest wader. Australia has classified eastern curlews as critically endangered, pointing to the urgent need to protect both this species and the habitat that they need in Australia, like the mangroves, seagrass beds, sand and mud flats, and sheltered coasts and estuaries. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.